हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग। तो स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल में। तो आज हम सीखेंगे बच्चों ABCD। A फॉर एप्पल, B फॉर बॉल एंड कलर्स नेम। सो लेट स्टार्ट। कलर्स नेम: ऑरेंज कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पर्पल कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, ब्लू कलर, ब्राउन कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ग्रे कलर। ये कलर कौन सा बच्चों? ये है येलो कलर, रेड कलर, पैरेट कलर एंड pink color. So let's start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Let's start. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. G for gun. G for gun. G for gun. G for gun. H for horse. H for horse. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. O for orange. P for panda. P for panda. P for panda. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. R for rose. R for rose. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. T for table. T for table. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. W for watch. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Let's revise. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye kids.